Morning, beautiful people. How are you doing? You don't know, sir, at the election season, or we now all back. We are campaign. We are bashed down the lie. We are bashed down the disingenuous behavior. We are bashed down the misinformation. Now, you know, and I know, I am voting for the Jamaica Labour Party. All right? There's no question about that, and there's no argument about that. Big up the people them. Anyway, when you want to vote, that are full of business. Big up the PNP, big up the JLP them. We are all humans. Until we decide to unite against any government, any opposition in the country, then we are go all right. But you see, the division between the people them will never better the country. And the politicians all smiling, because they realize that people are so uneducated and they are divided and tribal in politics. Now, I want you to listen to this panel of discussion. These are PNP people, all right? So every day they come online and they do have a vision for Jamaica. Them only want to know, say, this a member of parliament no have no teeth, this a member of parliament no have no foot, this a member of parliament no live around here, so. They want these people to have some error within them own self so them can get rid of them out of the government. Instead of them come with plans were better than the current government has in place right now, as we speak today. You understand me? Because everybody say not now go on, but I'm seeing things going on. It may not affect everybody. You understand me I say? But come on, stop being lying. Stop being disingenuous. Just stop it. It doesn't make no sense. The people them on an idiot. We see what go on, and it is totally different from years back. Alright? So when you listen to that panel here, they don't have nothing substantial to tell you. They can't tell you, say, listen, when the PNP government take over, we are gonna make gas depend one price for 6 months before it can move. When the PNP takes over, we're going to reduce the bread from $550, some say $800 for the bread. Well, we don't have to buy a $800 bread, but just buy a natural wheat bread sometime. $550, more good. Sometimes I say the chuck, I get it for a cheaper price. Meaning an argument to the body. Come and tell me, say, listen to me, I'm going to bring that bread that you're paying for now from $600, $550 to $400, or even $500. With a good stability, say it now going to move for a long while. Tell us that the corned beef was sell for $600. We're going to bring it to $500 or $550, and we're going to make it the price stay right there for a good time. Tell us about good economical skills we use to the government to do, and you have a problem, because remember, Market G have a problem with everything. Why you don't come with a solution? Tell us what is it you have on the map for control Jamaica, and take it and go on. But every day you come up, you wait for the IC report for something bad for you get the government. That make no sense. The same IC report where uno farm up, not really farm up, but phony people them flood it up. Flood it up. Now, watch the backlash in this. Parliament resume September the 17th. Right? September 17th. The IC put out a report. The conference of the PNP them are September the 15th. So them have 2 weeks to chat. Because them don't know what's in the document. And everybody, not me alright. Because see the Prime Minister come like Parliament to go call back. Yeah? Come like the man will reset Parliament before the 17th. Then, you don't have no sense. When a full report is sent in, no charge now come out of that. Naturally. So the PM clear. The only thing we can have a red flag about is why is it the deputy speaker is copied on the file. That is the only questionable thing, because of the same thing happened with the Marisa thing, where Juliet Olney's name as the deputy was copied on the document. When Marisa's name was called up in some little, I don't even know if it's that. But guess what? When you listen to these people, and if a diseducated people you are listening to, for this side say this is the way I'm going to vote because these people say this, a Joe thing on the point. Go do your own research. Listen what them have to say, and I'll be back after they're done speaking and giving them back my 2 cents. Because I was on the panel, I not really talk. We listen, we record, and we want to know if learn what are going on the side and decide what you need to decide on and not what they are saying.
Our comrades can't even walk. Messi One Done is saying tomorrow will be the party leader conference over there in Arnett Gardens. So we'll definitely tune. Listen, it's going to be a wonderful week this week, comrades. It's going to be a wonderful week. And we don't care what is happening in the Jamaica Labour Party camp. We are fixated on what's taking place in the People's National Party at this time. Right? 6 more days to go for the People's National Party 86th conference, and it's going to be a spectacle. Comrades, let me tell you something. So much has happened between last night and today, and we are here to talk. Before I go there, the topic tonight. So last night we talked about FinSac, and we had a wonderful discussion. Last night's topic was I think it was, yes, FinSac Explained. And a lot of persons reach out to me and tell me they enjoyed the show and stuff like that. Big up on yourself. But tonight's topic, Jamaica. Just before I bring forth some news, the topic for tonight will be the 18 years. Yes, man. We're going to reflect on the 18 years of the People's National Party because the Jamaica Labour Party supporters like to talk about the 18 years of the PNP and make it seem as though they were not a product of those 18 years. So we are going to remind them tonight, and I hope they will put pride aside and call the show tonight and actually give an account of why they wasted the 18 years that was granted to them as much as it was granted to us, and we make good use of those 18 years. So comrades, the topic for tonight later on is the 18 years of the People's National Party. I welcome the Labourites. We welcome members of the UIC movement. Yes. And as soon as we open the phone lines, we want you to remind us, why is it that they remain stagnant during those 18 years while others progressed? Could not be any fault of the PNP. But I think some of the best moments in Jamaica were during the 90s. Yes, I remember when I used to jump on the bus to go to school, I used to pay one money. I don't know if you remember it, it looked like the $1 US with some heap of pitney on the back of it. No, remember with some Chinese pitney, Syrian pitney, African pitney, pan one. $2 was my bus fare in the 90s, Jamaica. $2. And I don't know what happened since Bruce Golding take over, but it's like bus fare and money just under for them time we have $1,000 bill. I remember when the biggest note in Jamaica was Nanny of the Maroons. Yes, when you have one $500 bill, you're richer than rich. And under the Labour Party, all of a sudden we start to spend $1,000 bill. I would love to hear from the Labourites tonight their account of the 18 years in Shady Green Pastures, Jamaica, as I'm going to delve into the news. So give me a 15 minutes. Let me break some news, and then we're going to talk about the topic for tonight, the 18 years of the PNP. Be it good, be it bad. I want to hear the experience, but I, J. Brian, is a product of those 18 years, and those 18 years have helped to shape me into who I am. And anybody especially a young person in them 30s, can say those 18 years have caused them to not develop personally or otherwise. I am telling you, it's because of worthlessness. Good night, Jamaica. I am going to start the program. In Shady Green Pastors, we're going to give God thanks. We're going to cover the live tonight, and all week, we're going to continue to put the social media platforms cover all platforms under the blood, because I am telling you, the devil let loose right across social media. And you see, if you ever stop to answer anybody, then derail all that you would have set out to achieve. So let us ignore the negativity we see on social media for this week and give God Almighty thanks for where the People's National Party is coming from. In Shady Green Pastors, Jamaica, as we open tonight's show. Meditate tonight. I want everybody on the live, whether comrade or once you're a Jamaican, I just want you to look within yourself where the Lord has brought us from throughout the 8 years of the Jamaica Labour Party, and we are still standing. We want to look back and reflect what took place 2020 and how far we have come along as a party. Tonight we are saying, who could it be? To God be the glory. The People's National Party has so much to give God thanks for. Mighty God, we're giving thanks tonight. In Watch Night, we're giving God thanks. Thank you so much for tuning in, everyone. There's so much to give God thanks for. Our party is coming from a long, long way. We would have to rebuild the party, and we want to say big up to our party leader, our general secretary, and all the hierarchy of the People's National Party. Can you imagine a party with 14 members of parliament have managed to bring down the government with 49 MPs? Who would have thought an opposition with a mere 14 could cause a government to walk out of parliament? Listen to me now, man. We have so much to give God thanks for. So much to give him thanks for. Lead us. Lead us. Yes, lead us, Lord. Lead us. Lead us. In shady. Come on now, come on. So rich and so sweet. God is their children alone. Where the cool waters flow, face the weary ones free. Godly is their children alone. Oh, fire. God, my God, my God. Sometimes, you know, it doesn't matter if you're a sinner. It doesn't matter if you're the worst of the worst. You hear what I tell you, comrades? The Bible says it is easier for a camel to go through the eye of a needle than some of them where you see are going like them squeaky clean. You understand? No make nobody condemn you as a sinner. You hear what I tell you tonight? Don't make nobody condemn you as a sinner. God will give each and every one of us to make it right with him. Anyway, comrades, tonight we want to talk about what I don't even know if I should say them a liar. I don't like thief. I don't know, but I don't know if you guys saw a video being circulated with the Honorable Minister of Sports, Culture, Entertainment. And what else them give to our gender affairs? Jamaica, the labor rights are wicked, you know. Very, very wicked set of people, them. Dangerous. Would you imagine Jamaica that Babsy Grange make a statement this evening, or should I say the Babsy Grange camp put out a statement? As you know, today the Honorable Louise Bennett Coverley, God rest her soul, celebrates 105 birthday if she was alive today. And so they celebrate her and her achievements and accomplishments and impact she would have made to Jamaica. Can you imagine Jamaica that the Central St. Catherine MP, Olivia Babsy Grange, put out a message and wish Miss Louise Bennett a happy birthday, Jamaica. I'm going to share something with you, and I want you to look on the photograph very carefully. On the notice, I shared this picture earlier. Take a good look at the photograph, Jamaica. I'm going to remove the comment section for a moment. So I'm going to ask you guys to just tap up the screen while the comment section is off. So if you are here, yes, I want to see Peer Heart just go. Just continue to tap up the screen. I soon put on back the comments. I want you to analyze this photograph carefully of the Honorable Olivia Grange, Member of Parliament for St. Catherine Central. All right. I'm going to look carefully upon the photograph. The Jamaica Labour Party and the Ministry of Sports, Culture, Gender, Entertainment, whatever else them give her for do, put out a video wishing Miss Louise Bennett Coverley a happy birthday. Gonna put it out for you to see it for yourself, Jamaica. Cause you know me, Dre Bryan, is not somebody that will put out propaganda. Yes, man, no comment is on, so you can read for yourself. Perfect. You see? Same picture with her, not true. Same blouse, same everything. And if you look closely to the bottom where I circle in green, it states that Minister of Culture, Gender and Entertainment, blah, blah, blah. And you see this 7 hours ago, which means today, Olivia Grange would have made the tribute to Miss Louise Bennett. No, so it go. 7 hours ago, Ministry of Culture, Gender, blah, 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 et al. put out a video of Miss Babsy Grange, bigging up Louise Bennett on her 105th birthday. But Jamaica did some investigation because as somebody like myself who has a keen interest in politics and have a keen interest in truth and honesty and respect for public office, me say no man, something not right with whosoever address Babsy Grange because me know for a fact say me see Babsy in the attire somewhere. I don't know where me see it, but me know me see Babsy Grange in the same snake skin clothes. And me I say, you know how them so careless with the dressing of the honorable minister. Fi put her back in the same clothes, fi come put out statement. And then I look within my catalog, Jamaica. You know see what me I see Jamaica? The Minister of Sports, Culture, Gender, Entertainment, Babsy Grange, have lied to the people of this country, Jamaica. Now look here. When I dig up and go back in my catalog, this video was made and posted on YouTube 7 years ago. So why the Ministry of Culture, Gender and Entertainment gonna put out the same video where she do 7 years ago today in 2024 and make it seems like all is well with the Minister of Culture and Sport? See there in front of you in Jamaica, I'm not telling any lie on the Olivia Grange camp. This video is 7 years ago. What is it that they're hiding from the people of Jamaica? No, because sometimes we have to think the way the labor rights do, you know. Sometimes we have to stoop to their level because according to them, nobody has no sense, you know. Only them alone have sense. Jamaica, we're asking the question tonight. Why the labor rights can't be honest? Why they can't come out and tell the country that the woman sick and she will not be returning to representational politics? Hello? Hello? Uno na here, make a turn on back the comment section. Can I look like uno miss the comments? Yes. When the labor rights them, they come talk up to. Why is it that y'all put out a lie to the people of this country? Where Miss Lou family them, they must be supposed to feel so embarrassed. Them probably the one side and I give thanks. The minister out and proud and well and a big up Miss Louise, a big up the lady, not knowing that it is a false. Cannot be trusted. These people within the Jamaica Labour Party camp are dangerous set of people. Eh? Dangerous set of people. Eh? It's not a matter of repost, Denise. Denise, please do not insult my intelligence, please. Miss Denise, please do not insult my intelligence. I know when somebody reposts and reshares something, and even so, it was very tasteless and distasteful. If you read today, 7 hours ago, it's a Minister Grange pays tribute to Miss Lou on the 105th anniversary of her birthday. right? So it wasn't a repost or a reshare. What those in the Jamaica Labour Party did was to dig up a very old video 7 years ago and pretend that Babsy Grange is doing okay and send well wishes to the Honorable Louise Bennett Coverley. It is wrong. It is misinformation. And we're asking the minister, Miss Dana Morris Dixon, to speak, have a conversation with your team when it comes out to misinforming the nation. This is not true. It is not true, Jamaica. Eh? It's very deceptive. And you are going to give it a quote. See it there, you know, 7. No, but even if you're not well and you want big up Miss Coverley on her birthday, then do it authentically, no man. You do 7 hours ago, you know, see it there, we're not telling any lie. I don't even get a description. Minister Grange pays tribute to Miss Lou on her 105th anniversary of her birthday. See it there? What kind of lie and deception is this? Just like how no make it look like say all is well within the Jamaica Labour Party. Why you don't come out and tell the people of this country that Babsy Grange will not be returning to representational politics? Jamaica, it is alleged that Babsy Grange have suffered a stroke and her face is disfigured. You hear what I tell you tonight, Jamaica? It is alleged. Let me say alleged, because me know no love comfy Dre Brian. It is alleged, Jamaica, that the Honorable Babsy Grange, the reason why she was in the intensive care unit is because she would have suffered a stroke and me hear see her face twist. Her face lean, disfigured. Just come and tell us the truth. Sickness is sickness. Nobody go to the shop and buy sickness. But you owe the nation an obligation. Let us know what is happening. Don't lie to the people. The lady is not well. And chances are she will not be returning to the political arena. So too Mike Henry. So too Audley Shaw. So too Carl Samuda. So too J.C. Hutchinson. Y'all need to come and tell the nation the truth. There is nobody in the 49 membership within the Jamaica Labour Party that can fill a gap. It's over a week now, approaching 2 weeks, since the nation don't have a minister of finance. It is almost 2 weeks now, we don't hear anybody take up the mantle. And I don't want the country to even think that Matthew Samuda would have the audacity to be the country's finance minister, because based on intelligence and information I would have received, Matthew Samuda don't even have a high school diploma. Let me just say allegedly, you hear? You no ever hear them talk about pretty duns and because you got a little surname. Let me tell you something, Matthew Samuda, where him there? Come here, come turn up, come step to the front of the classroom, Matthew. Where him there? Please to come to the front of the classroom, Matthew Samuda. Remember you were made the Minister of Water? Let me tell you something, Jamaica. You see, when you don't have healthcare ministry and education ministry and water ministry, you see, especially water ministry, it is a ministry that no care how You're lazy. That ministry alone will cause you to win your seat. Years on top of years. You know how good you would have done if you bring forth water to some places that have never received water. That alone the people them are going to be grateful for and forever keep you into a seat as member of parliament. Let me tell you something. This man on your screen, you know, is the reason why the entire Western Jamaica had issues, you know. You know what this man did? They went around and dig up the whole of the pipe them in a Westmoreland and Hanover and St. James and said them are going to refit them with new and modernized pipe. And because they realized that the entire West turned against them and voted for the People's National Party, the amount of pipe lay bare. No water now run through them anymore. And him on the screen cause it, Matthew Samuda. You think I easy smaddy ya look pan? Anyway, I don't want no Jamaican feel like him gonna be our Minister of Finance. Hell to the no. Let me tell you something, Matthew Samuda. And your last name I carry you through Jamaica and you fake it for the 38 years. Alright, how old you is, I don't know. The 40, you have faked it. You, Matthew Samuda, have faked your last name for the past 40 years. You come and go on like you are smaddy. Your last name, I want to carry you through Jamaica, and you have faked it for the past 40 years. And I want to bring you down tonight on the social media. Because I hear say one judgment ball I can drop on you this week. And I will leave it at that. Precious Lord! Hold my hand. Rock and come in, comrades. Let us rock and come in.
When my way grow a dream, precious Lord, linger near. When my life is almost gone, hear my cry, hear my call, hold my hand, lest I fall. Take my hand, precious Lord, lead me on. Precious Lord, take my hand, lead me on, let me stand. Lord, I'm tired and I'm weak. Lord, I'm worn through the storm, through the night. Lead me on to the light. Take my hand, precious Lord, lead me on. When the shadows appear in the night, grow a tree when the day.
Pull up. Jamaica, I'm getting some information tonight. Or should I drop it as breaking news? I don't know. But information just reached me tonight, Jamaica, that the candidate that the Labour Party placed in North East St. Anne, comrades, I'm getting to understand that Matthew Samuda. Yes, Lord Jesus. Breaking. Yes, Jamaica. Breaking news tonight. I'm getting to understand that Matthew Samuda has been tipped, has been set up, comrades, to become the Speaker of the House because Juliet Holness allegedly has been implicated. Hey.
Comrades, sound the trumpet. The ship just sink. Jamaican people, who no see the time come for the labor right them. Pack up and go home and leave out of this. You know see them wreck Jamaica. Sweet, sweet Jamaica land we love. Let through Marky G and the PNP crew come in at this Jamaica. Labour Party ship just sink. I said the Labour Party ship just sink. I said the Labour right is sinking. The Labour right is sinking. The Labour Party ship just sink. Hi! The Labour Party ship just sink. I said the Labour right the ship just sink. I said the Labour Party sinking, the Labour Party sinking, the Labour Party ship just sink. Look how them sinking one by one, one by one, one by one. Them sinking two by two, two by two, two by two. Rogard is sinking, the all of them are sinking. Labour Party sinking too. I miss the Labour Party sinking. Think the world them are sing. Them are sing. Hey, let you Marky G, let you Marky G. Marky G, you saw them did not go like them want come push out and them got tired to see your face. You understand? Marky G a come. Marky G a come and we no want no botheration. PNP a come. PNP a come and we no want no botheration. A botheration. No botheration, no fidea, botheration, no botheration, no fidea, Marky G, cause when election, call no botheration, no fidea, when you turn the Prime Minister, botheration, no fidea, Marky G, a come. Nigel run, Marky G a come. Marsha better run, botheration no botheration no fidea. We no want no botheration in Jamaica. Why the PNP party hot? Left it through. Fire burn. Fire upon them. Fire burn. Fire. People are run. People are run. Lord, tell them we move. Tell them we move. Tell them we move. Tell them we move out the way. Cause we are God freaking day. Tell them we hey, tell them
Everyone, hold on, me in a business. I'm with you with 98 million people. Hold on, just accept.
Like ugly, your man got not like ugly. Look how the PNP party, look how it nice and clean. Wanna move, move, move. Hey, wanna move, move, move.
Yes, Jamaica, if you're just joining. Breaking news. Good night, Andrea. Good night, Paula Sadler, Avia 28, Eagle Boss, Brat, Marlene, Bell. Everybody that has been gathered. Randine and Baby Girl, Pink Rose, Bombers, Stickers. Win some green. Yes, darling. Dre, you have any information on Colin Bell, our representative for East Portland? Any information? The last time I checked, they said he would have stepped down from East Portland. I don't know why he would have came to that decision, but he made his choice. That's how it go. Yes. And if him feel him can't carry on, I don't think he should be allowed to continue. Give the opportunity to somebody else who cares. It says a lot when a councillor from nowhere can beat a member of parliament or aspirant, you know. And I'm going to leave it at that. May the hierarchy settle the matter. And we want to thank Colin Bell for his time representing the PNP for Portland Eastern. But it doesn't really take away anything from the People's National Party, you know. Especially my Dre Bryan show. On a notice, whenever I do my roll call, I would have given both Eastern and Western Portland to the Jamaica Labour Party. Be honest now, Jamaica. Only I realize every time I do my roll call, I would have declared Portland East and West for the Jamaica. We talk from day one, say PNP have a lot of work to do in Portland. It come as no surprise. We wish them all the very best for Portland. If you ask me, if it was up to me, I would have asked the hierarchy of the PNP to keep a meeting with the Portlanders and ask them what exactly do they want and who do they want. I think personally, politicians from both sides like to insert people in our constituency, and the constituents them no approve of them. And if them did ever sit down and have a conversation with the people in the constituency, a lot of things could have been avoided. Not true? Yes, man. So easy fix. Go on to Portland, find out from the constituents who do you see that you like, who is hardworking and will able to put the interests of the people first. Enough don't labor right run and win, you know. All them have in the Labour Party is the willingness to work. So guess what? Find somebody at Portland. You not have no accolades. As long as the people them love you and you're no criminal and you're no thief and you're no long after state funds, you will do well. Find somebody in a Portland where the people them love and respect, and not insert nobody over there where the people them no approve. Nobody asks me nothing more about Portland. Sort out the matter. I have all confidence in Portland people. Forget it right. Alright? And that's all I'm going to say. Yes, breaking news. Me say, a little birdie tell me, say Dre, Matthew Samuda was tipped to be the country's speaker, the nation's speaker, the House speaker, because size 13 more than likely has been implicated. You hear what I tell you tonight, Jamaica? I don't business what happening at the Jamaica Labour Party. Me only want to know say Fimi 14 MP declare to the leader that they have not been approached by the Integrity Commission to be under no form of investigation. So that means all of them belong to the Labour Party. And without a doubt, I don't believe the Integrity Commission would waste their time to present a full ruling and nothing of substance is within those full ruling. Right, Jamaica? You stay there think a joke. When you see the Director of Corruption Prosecution hand down a judgment and tell them down a parliament say they must table it and take the necessary actions when it has been tabled, something is wrong. Something is wrong. And to all the labor rights them we are talking about, oh, it's not for be the MP. The Integrity Commission say 8 members of parliament. So when you see them try to bring in Dwayne Vaz in the passa, listen, when you not put Dwayne Vaz in a passa, Dwayne Vaz is not a member of parliament. He was under investigation and he was following exactly what was needed to be done, and he was late with the payment. So that is the only reason why his name get dragged in it. He's not a MP. You no need to do the honorable thing and resign. You know, say it's only Jamaica Parliament. Me see some kind of things happen and then so be a face and still represent the people. Any other way America or Canada, any of them kind of allegations are over any MP head. The amount of pressure come down upon them to resign is only in Jamaica. So much look upon the man from Western St. Thomas. From I was a little boy, me said that the man the name a call upon some damning things in this country. And every single term, the labor rights them vote for him over and over and over. We have to suffer and we must suffer and we should suffer as a people. Because we too wicked to ourselves. We too wicked to it. Me say from me a little boy. Me here say the member of parliament for St. Thomas Western. I do the things them. And every single election, the same people them we are complain vote for him. I am not surprised what took place in Northeast St. Anne. I remember when Andrew introduced Marsha to the people in 2020. One elder went stand up under the tent with the mask and him say, Andrew, I don't think it's a right decision. Such and such a person is the person we want to take over from Shiny. And Andrew say, I promise you, this is a good decision. And Marsha this and Marsha that, give her a chance. And see what transpire now? Oh, no, hear the bite of the week, Jamaica. The bite of the week. One lady said, from the day Marsha win, Marsha never walked through the town of Ocherios as the member of parliament. Nobody not tell no lie upon them, you know. Nobody not tell no lie upon the labor right. What sense it make? No make no sense. Doesn't make any sense at all. I'm so embarrassed of the people of Northeast St. Anne. I'm very much embarrassed. I want you to listen to what the people have to say about Marsha Smith.
By King Alam. King Alam, the obvious choice.
I tell you the truth, I never see her yet. I go see her on TV, up on phone. I never see her yet. She no come in the community and talk to people in the community. That's why nobody respect her.
He must go, should have gone long time. Because from the day when he never come, I watch it. and me live a watchy. Me work, me still selling at the market. And me never come here yet. Never. Nobody in the market ever see her.
Bite of the Week brought to you by King Alam. King Alam, the obvious choice. Bite of the Week brought to you by King Alam. King Alam, the obvious choice.
I tell you the truth, I never see her yet. I go see her on TV, on phone. I never see her yet. She no come in the community and talk to people in the community. That's why nobody respect her.
He must go, should have gone long time. And from the day when he never come, I watch it. And me live a watchy. Me work, me still selling at the market. And me never come here yet. Never. Nobody in the market ever see her.
Bite of the Week brought to you by King Alam. King Alam, the obvious choice. Bite of the Week brought to you by King Alam. King Alam, the obvious choice.
I tell you the truth, I never see her yet. I go see her on TV, on phone. I never see her yet. She no come in the community and talk to people in the community. That's why nobody respect her.
He must go, should have gone long time. And from the day when he never come, I watch it. And me live a watchy. Me work, me still selling at the market. And me never come here yet. Never. Nobody in the market ever see her.
Bite of the Week brought to you by King Alam.
Jesus! If you're not busy, come gather around the Jamaica Labour Party for a minute or two. You know what I would love to see, Jamaica? I would love to see Labour rights come out and vote for their candidate. And the turnout. Yeah. Because with a constituency with over 40,000 people on the voters list, yes, there's a lot of people. Because if you and I may not be aware, but you see the woman Shiny Robinson, you think she easy? Enough West Kingston people, Shiny, carry Frank Kingston, come and Ochi. One piece of nasty dirty ghetto. If I talk some things about Northeast tonight, you see? Only know one get up on one hilltop. What name again, man? Shiny create one whole garrison for herself. No wonder she and Siaga was so much of a bosom body. You hear what I tell you? Me say, Shiny care some people from West Kingston come build up one big ghetto in a Northeast St. Anne. Falkland, talk to me now, my sister. Lord Jesus, how you could have slipped me tongue. For those of you from Northeast St. Anne, Ochi and its environs, Buckfield, Senans Bay, Priory, them places, they will know the constituency of Northeast St. Anne. And know the tough garrison of Falkland. Falkland is a makeshift garrison by the Labour Party. A Shiny Robinson car people come settle there. No title, no nothing. She just carry them. Remember I said Northeast St. Anne used to control by the PNP, you know. The reason why it turn a Labour rights stronghold is because them remove some West Kingston people and come settle them there. Up a Falkland. One piece of ghetto up there. All of the crime, 3/4 of the crime in a Ochi and its environs, you can trace to Falkland. I know ask you, I tell you. Me live there. And let me tell you something. Just like how people scared of certain communities in the corporate and the city, as how them afraid to go to Falkland. When you go look work at the hotel, them answer in a center and you tell them say you come from Falkland. The employer them take second guess to employ. I know ask me, I ask you. It's a legacy of Shiny Robinson. Yeah. And this a girl up on the screen, Marsha Smith, someone who I would have known personally. Marsha is not that type of girl who go and cock up and a rum shop and sit down on no ends and sit down on a rock stone and a buy people no rum and boom and... No! Marsha is a classy girl. The first thing Marsha do is move the constituency office where Shani catch up in the garrison. And she put it in the city because she's a city girl. And she teach the people them to have little pride in themselves. Them no want no pride. Them believe in the garrison mentality. Yeah. That's why them never like Miss Marsha Smith. Because the girl no believe in a handout. Then come, them no have nothing to eat. They want 5,000. Them no want put down and set down them name, you know, if you go do an interview in the hotel or one restaurant, if get a lasting job. They want the woman give them 5,000 and one plate of food. And then 2 days after, then as how Shiny used to do them. Drive up and down and sit down. Anywhere the rum shop there, she sit down and buy out the shop them. Rum and coke and boom. That's why them love her down there, so. But naughty Sentan people must know what them want. They must know what them want. You understand? It's not a good look. The office used to their sentence be she move it. They move it, go watch it. Fiwa. Anyway, I'm not really business with them. I don't really business with the Jamaica Labour Party. You know, sort out to no matter. Listen to what the
King
people
Alarm.
have to say.
King Alarm, the obvious choice. Bite of the week brought to you by King Alarm. King Alarm, the obvious choice.
I tell you the truth, I never see her yet. I go see her on TV or on phone. I never see her yet. She no come in the community and talk to people in the community. That's why nobody respect her.
He must go, should have gone long time. And from the day when he never come, I watch it. And I live a watch it. I work, me selling at the market. And I never come here yet. Never. Nobody in the market ever see her.
Bite of the week brought to you by King Alarm. King Alarm, the obvious choice.
You hear that, Jamaica? I know easy something when the people in your constituency rise up against you, you know. It's not a good thing at all. Anyway, Jamaica, the phone lines are open. Tonight discussion is the 18 years of the People's National Party. I want to extend invitation to the labor rights, to the UIC affiliates, every single Jamaican. If you have a story to tell, growing up in the 90s, whether good or bad, let us have a respectful, I'm going to repeat, let us have a respectful discussion. Yes? If it's the first time you're joining, tonight is what we call Watch Night. Yes? Tonight is what we call Watch Night Jamaica. And tonight's discussion, last night the discussion was about FinSAC explained, and it was an excellent show last night. So tonight, the topic is the 18 years of the People's National Party. Why did the people of Jamaica kept the Jamaica Labour Party in opposition for 18 long years? What were some of the achievements under the PNP for 18 years? Why is it that most labor rights blame Jamaica for in a state today, blaming it on the 18 years? We want to hear from you tonight, Jamaica. As I said, just keep it respectful. I don't care if you know a labor right, UIC, whatever. Just be respectful. All right? So, it's now 9 minutes to 11. The phone lines are open, Jamaica. Go right ahead and send your request. Let's have a discussion tonight. What's the breaking news? Did somebody say breaking news? Hot Ross is saying, Dre, Wagwana Portland with the caretaker bell. There's nothing going on. The man decide that he's stepping down. He no longer can come. I mean, why sabotage the party? Remember that he was beaten by a nobody, you know. Nobody know who is this Shanique girl that won the councillor seat up there. It's not a good look if you are aspiring to be a member of parliament and a councillor beat you. It's not a good look. So I tip my hat to Mr. Colin Bell for stepping down and would have allowed the party to find a replacement. But as a matter of fact, it should have happened a long time ago. The moment a councillor beat you as an aspiring MP, you should have removed yourself. Give somebody the opportunity to start campaigning and gain the trust of the people for Eastern Portland. So no love lost. The man is a comrade. Him step aside. Look at what happened in Northwest St. Anne with Manley Clark. Manley Clark step aside and he's supporting Gabby. Allah, come on, it's what it happens within both parties. You're not. Look what happened with Marsha Smith. Them get rid of Marsha Smith as a sitting member of parliament. At least Colin Bell wasn't a member of parliament. He was just a candidate. But look what happened with Marsha Smith. And she run away as a member of parliament. Resign, unprecedented. So let us focus on what Colin Bell would have, or what would have caused him to step down. I mean, if he's not gaining any traction, why lead the party into something that you know? So let us leave the people in Portland to make up their mind who them want to represent them. Big up yourself, Colin Bell, right? But I think you would have made the right choice. It's not a good look when a councillor can overthrow a MP candidate. It's not a good look. And he should have done so a good while now. All right? So no love lost. Thank you for your time, Colin Bell. And I think you would have made the right choice. Big up yourself and thank you for your service. And I hope that you will support whoever the party installed there. But I'm asking the party and the hierarchy, please consult East Portland residents. Don't just insert nobody over there. Right? Make sure the people them know the person. That person is available to them to put in the work. Don't send nobody in East Portland. Because them now go take it lightly. Them want to choose somebody amongst them. Alright? And that's all I will say on the matter. Big up yourself, Colin Bell. You made an excellent choice. The party have time. Next year is the election. And I think whoever they put there will have enough time to put in the work to at least dethrone Miss 13 parishes. Anyway, Jamaica, the phone lines are open. Let me hear what you have to say about the 18 years of the People's National Party. That is the topic for discussion tonight. Whether good or bad, we want to hear from you. Yes, if you were a product of those 18 years, let me hear from you. If you suffered under the 18 years, come and tell us some of the sufferation and why you think those years were not fruitful. The phone lines are open. Go right ahead and send your request.